I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change wiper blades Acura ILX Easy Guide. Lift the wiper arm, press the release tab, and slide the old blade off before attaching the new one. Work one side at a time, check the hook or pin connection, and align the replacement blade until you hear a click. Finish by lowering the arm gently and test the sweep to ensure clear contact and smooth motion. Gather a soft cloth, protective gloves, and the correct replacement blades for your Acura ILX before you start. Park on level ground and turn off the ignition, then lift both wiper arms carefully. Inspect the adapter type, remove debris, and keep the old blades to compare fit. Replace one blade at a time, secure connections firmly, and test wiper operation with washer fluid to confirm full coverage. Adjust if you notice streaking. Quick recommendation: consider the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading while waiting for a service appointment. It fits in the glove box, has a crisp screen and long battery life, and makes downtime enjoyable. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car tips. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals, then grab one if interested. Now let's get back to the video. Start by lifting the arm away from the windshield and locating the release tab or locking mechanism. Depress the tab and slide the blade toward the arm to free the hook or pin, keeping fingers clear of metal parts. Compare the removed blade to the new one to confirm orientation, then attach the replacement by reversing removal steps until it clicks and sits snugly for safe operation and noise-free performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.